Welcome, Newton Ruby, to our classroom. So, this is the after of the Brigada Escuela. So, malinis na. And I think you're gonna like our classroom. So, dito tayo mag-stay and dito tayo mag-aaral. And of course, dito rin tayo magre-rest, ano? Pag walang ginagawa. And dito tayo most of the time talaga. Ito ang ating second home. So please take care of our classroom, and I'm only expecting that you keep it speak and span or malinis all the time. And so welcome then Ruby. I hope to see you on Monday. Naka-ready na ang ating classroom para sa ating studying. This is Teacher Gilvan or Sir Luna or Sir Van. And this is the 10 Ruby classroom located on the third floor. So this is building A, tayo sa building B, third floor. Ayan, sa dulo, bandang left. Ayan, 10 Ruby Classroom. Ayan.